I am Bhavani from Rishi's Aapki Rasoi. Today my menu is tomato omelette. It is purely vegetarian and we'll be adding lot of tomatoes in this with all the other spices and coriander and all the herbs. Mostly herbs I have added in this, so it is very nutritious. And this is made out of besan, atta and rice flour and little bit of rava. Now I'll tell you the measurement. I have taken one small cup. This cup I have taken three measurements of besan, then one measurement of rice flour and one measurement of wheat flour and just half measurement of rava. Now these are the measurements and of the ingredients which I am going to make the batter. Okay, and this is tomato omelette, means I have cut the tomatoes in such small pieces which I am going to add to this batter. Then now the other ingredients are green chilies which I am going to add to this to add flavor, and then I am going to add fresh coriander. And the most important thing, which is my own recipe, I am going to add is a few tomatoes, ginger, and then mint leaves, pudina. Now I'll add little salt to it, and I will first make the batter, thick batter, and then I will add this masala to it so that the tomato, mint and the chilies, all the flavors are mixed very well in the batter. So this is this ingredient is addition of this ingredient is my own recipe, and this tomato omelette is a very popular evening time snack in Bombay, and they normally take along with the bread slice, and some families also they eat this as a breakfast item. So this is the tomato omelette, and the side dish for this will be the typical mint chutney, which I am going to do with the peanuts. I am going to add peanuts along with coriander, mint, then chilies, ginger and garlic. With this I am going to make the chutney. So now this is the preparation for tomato omelette. So once I have mixed everything, I will get back to you. Now the chutney is ready. In this I forgot to tell you one ingredient, that is we have to squeeze half lemon in this for the khatta taste, that is sour taste. So then now this is the powder. Now the important clue in this is I have added haldi powder and jeera, and we should not put water and mix all the batter together. Now this has to be mixed like this, and then you add tomatoes, chilies, coriander, everything, but you only just for 2 omelettes. If you are going to make immediately all the omelettes, it's okay. Now I will be making the rest of the omelettes only after 1 or 2 hours. So for me, I have to make that arrangement that I will be taking the powder only for 2 omelettes. So if you keep it for a longer time, this chana atta, this besan, this won't spread properly on the tawa. So that is why we should not mix everything with water all together. So now I will show you how I do it. So according to this, I will be adding all the ingredients. Now this is I told you, tomato, pudina, ginger mixture, which I have ground. So I will be adding just 3 teaspoons of this. And then I will be adding little tomatoes. Then few green chili pieces. And then I will be adding coriander, chopped coriander. All this little just for this atta and this batter. Now I am going to add water and mix it. I will show you the consistency, in what consistency this has to be to make the omelette. If you have a beater or if you have a blender, you can blend it also. And then add tomatoes But now since I have added all the ingredients together, so I'm mixing it with the hand. It should be of that dosa batter consistency. Like what we have for rava dosa, that consistency it should be. It should be like this. Like this. Then only it will nicely spread on the tawa. And we don't add hing to this because the hing has a very strong smell, strong aroma and the flavor. So the flavor of tomato, coriander, chilies, all this will be lost if we add hing. So we don't add hing to this batter. Now the tawa is ready. I am going to make the omelette. I'll first smear. It should be hot. That you can test it by just sprinkling water. As I told you, for any dosa, the instant dosas, we always add rice flour for binding. And we always add rava for the crispiness. So if that is being added at the right proportion, this dosa or what we call in Hindi is a chila, this will never break. So that is the main ingredient in the case of instant dosas. Now this is also a type of dosa only, but this is popularly called as a tomato omelette in Bombay. I mean, I have tasted this in many restaurants in Tamil Nadu also, and it is a very ideal breakfast dosa, and this can be made instantly. If you don't have rice batter for idli, dosa, or some, or even other ingredients which you need for the breakfast, this is very easy to make, and no need for fermentation, no need for you to wait for it has to rest for some time, nothing like that. See? Now the other side I will allow this to become golden brown because all the other tomatoes, chilies and everything will be there on the other side, and that has to slightly get cooked. Now the final stage is the plating. I'll get back to you. This is my tomato omelette. I have explained the recipe to you. This tastes very good with the mint chutney. In this I have added peanuts instead of the dal, chana dal. And then we normally take this omelette along with the bread slice. It tastes very good. Anyway, it is optional, and many things are optional in this. Now people who don't take garlic, they need not add garlic to the chutney. They can have only with ginger, mint and coriander. Now if you like my recipe, please try this and then pass on the comment to me, which is very important, and subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Jai Sai Ram.